Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I drew this, and I started thinking you could do a lot with it after you've got this drawing. And if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch part one. So I'm going to draw a perpendicular line, and I'm drawing in the center of the page. So now I just take my Smart Fill tool. Let's set on another color. Let's go ahead and use that red. So now I only get half of that twisted or bent arrow. Let's go ahead and left click, right click, and make an outline. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the control button, we'll move it like that. And so we're back to where we were. Now we're going to mirror it the other way. Of course, we have to put this down and have it snap to there. And now you got a totally different look if we take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now remember, these are two parts, so we have to join them together, and that makes one part. So you could have it really more twisted than that, or you could left click, right click. Let's put it in the center of the page. Let's delete this one. And let's hit P and put it in the center of the page. Now we could do a couple of things. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way. That's not going to work because it's the arrows are too big, but you could spin it around a little bit and then take this and weld it, and then you'd have something looking like that. It's hard to imagine what it's going to be until you do that right there. That's not so cool, but you could do a lot with this. Let's back up here to where we just had one side, and you could take it and, well, what would probably be the smartest thing? Let's back up here. Let's take our nudge factor and set it. Let's see how big this thing is. Well, it's 2 inches. Let's set it on 4. Let's nudge it over. And look at that. And now we can take a 2-point line and go make sure you go from node to node and node to node. And then take your virtual segment delete key and delete these two lines. And now you take your Smart Fill tool and you've got a total different looking thing. Not knowing that you're ever going to draw this, Control D and make a duplicate. And then let's rotate it 90 degrees and weld that together. And you could actually mirror it the other way, but if we weld it together and then take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Not saying you'll ever draw that, but it might help you do some things. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.